Hello, little explorers. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Today, we're going to the zoo. Let's go meet some amazing animals from around the world. Wow! Look at those tall gates opening just for us. Our first stop is the jungle zone. Look over there, monkeys. They're swinging from branch to branch and chattering with each other. They love to play all day. Can you swing your arms like a monkey? Let's try Itwi. Now, let's follow the path. And, oh, it's Ella the elephant. She's so big and strong, and she's using her long trunk to spray water everywhere. Elephants use their trunks to drink, pick up things, and even give themselves showers. What's that sound? Ruar! It's Leo the lion. He's resting in the sun, looking so calm and powerful. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. Let's give our cutest little roar together. Uno, dos, tres, ruar! It's getting cold. That must mean we're near the penguins. Look how they waddle side to side in their black and white suits. They love the cold and are excellent swimmers. Let's waddle like a penguin two-step. Step, wiggle. Whoa, look way up high. Do you see that? It's a giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks of any animal. They use them to reach yummy leaves from the tallest trees. Munch, munch. What an amazing day at the zoo. We saw monkeys, elephants, lions, penguins, and giraffes. Which animal was your favorite? Thanks for coming on this animal adventure. Don't forget to be kind to animals and keep exploring the world around you.